Hello everyone, so today I have another one of these. I wasn't going to get another one, but I thought that the box that I got the first time wasn't that great. And then I saw that Topps had like a Black Friday sale, so I was like, go on then, I'll get another one. So this is the Topps Chrome 2024 hobby box. So look out for autograph cards, there's like parallels, numbered cards, stuff like that in here. My last one, I did get an autograph. It was Americ Ordeal from F2, I think, or F3, I can't remember. But yeah, it was out of 50, so it was pretty good. But yeah, I thought I would have another look and see what I could get in this box. So there we go. So let's get into it, I suppose. Let's hope for something decent. Come on. Oh, for God's sake. Go away. Go away. Jack Crawford, Alex Albon, Lawrence Van Hoopen, Lewis Hamilton. We got the Turn Up the Lights Oscar Piastri. That's a cool insert. I've not had one of those. Then we have, I can never pronounce this guy's name, but we have him. And then we have Speed Demons on Stroll. So, yes. Next pack. We got a card that I would like. Franco Colapinto. That's good. I like that one. Liking Franco. Then we got David Coulthard. Alexander Dunn. Orlando. I already have this one. We have Ollie Behrman. Legends Ayrton Senna. Future Stars Noel Leon. And then we have the recharged Carlos Sainz. Nice insert again. Okay, so we got Peter Wisnicki. Martinez Stenson. We got Sergio Perez in the pole position. We got Valtteri Bottas. Isaac Hadjar. So we've got I think it's orange purple card back here as well. And it is, oh yes. I mean, Lando is my favourite driver, so this is already looking good for me. Always happy to get any Lando cards. And then an Oscar Piastri Camber card. I seem to have got like a lot of the special Oscar Piastri cards in the two boxes that I've done, like already. And Perez. There seems to be a lot of Perez cards. So we got Max Verstappen. Leonardo I can never pronounce this guy's name. Sergio Perez, as I was just saying. Lando Norris. I think that's one of the cards I do need. So that's good. Carlos Sainz. Lando Norris. Grand Prix Driver of the Day. Another one that I do need. And then the checkered flag Sergio Perez insert. Pretty nice. And then Esteban Ocon recharged. So another few Lando cards for the collection. No numbered cards yet, which I'm disappointed about, but hopefully soon. Yeah. I can't pronounce that name. We got Ollie Behrman. Tromanes. Enzo Fittipaldi. The other guy who I can't pronounce his name. Victor Martins. We got, oh, that's a pretty good one. A green, purple Ayrton Senna Legends card. And Valtteri Bottas on the end. Still no numbered cards. maybe this next layer will... Oh no, I've already had that one. It's this one. Okay. More Oscar Piastri. This guy, I can't pronounce his name. Grand Prix winner Carlos Sainz. Kushmini. Nigel Mansell on the Legends. Roman Stanek. Oh, cool. I'm just getting my favourite drivers in these kind of parallels. So Franco Colapinto as the purple-green insert. And then we got Jack Crawford. Still no numbered cards at all. Callum Voisin. Max Verstappen. Lando Norris. Victor Martins. Matthias Zagazeta. Max Verstappen. Lando Norris. And then a Max Verstappen Speed Demons. Still no numbered cards. What is going on here? Future stars Richard Verschoor. Van Hoopen. Dennis Hauger. Nico Rosberg. I keep saying Nico Rosberg for Nico Hulkenberg. I don't know why. Michael Schumacher. Andrea Kimi Antonelli. Max Verstappen. And Dennis Hauger. Still no numbered cards. What is happening? Why have I had no numbered cards whatsoever? Like, not one. Wow. Taylor Barnard. Christian Mansell. Gabrielle Mini. Charlie Wirtz. Zane Maloney. Sebastian Montoya. A numbered card, but it's out of 299. Wow. And it is Tommy Smith. And then a recharged Pierre Gasly. Wow. This is turning out worse than the last box. And the last box was not good. Okay. Jack Crawford. Noel Leon. Daniel Ricciardo. Nikola Toslov. Gabriel Bortoleto. Stenshorn. Okay, Yuki Tsunoda out of 150. I don't know what these ones are called, but that's a pretty cool card. And then helmets, Yuki Tsunoda. Yeah. Oh dear. This still is not good. Still is not good. Grand Prix Driver of the Day, Charles Leclerc. Kevin Magnussen. Ayrton Senna. Max Verstappen. Carlos Sainz. Ugh. Okay. So we got a Charles Leclerc out of 199. Pretty nice. I got a numbered one of this card before. But yeah, that's a nice card. Pretty good. Last pack. Oh, is it possible that this was worse than the last one? Because at least in the last one I got an autograph. Don't think I'm getting an autograph in this. Villagomez, Mansell, Bortoleto, another Alain Prost, Future Stars, Zach O'Sullivan out of 99. Wow. And a helmet, Perez. This was bad. Oh my god, this was worse than the last one. I got some Lando cards, which is fine. But like, wow. That was the lowest number card that we got. Charles Leclerc out of 199. That's just a speed demon. 150 for the Yuki Tsunoda. 299 for the Tommy Smith. F3. The Franco Colapinto might be worth a little bit. I don't know. Ayrton Senna, maybe. Worth a couple of quid. Perez, probably not worth much. Lando Norris, I'm not going to sell this one because it's Lando. I don't know how, like, often you get these ones. Turn up the lights, because I've not seen one of those. But, I don't know. Two pretty cool Oscar Piastri cards, I guess. But, yeah, that's it. So, thanks for watching. Subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.